All right, guys. Unfortunately, I can't be there in class with you as none of us are going to see each other for a little while. So this video is just going to describe what I want you to do for this next week. Now, you have a summative due, as you know, at the end of the week, and the summative is still going to be due. The only thing that is not going to be handed in is the blueprints, because many of you left your blueprints in the classroom. You're going to hand your blueprints in after we get back to work. So apart from the blueprints, everything else is going to be done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to talk you through the summative just to make sure that you're aware of what you need to do. Unfortunately, like I said, we won't be there, so normally we'd do this in class. So for this week, you're to work on your summatives. The first thing you need to do is you need to do your design specifications. Everyone knows that, don't forget. It's a 60 centimeter tower capable of withstanding 60 kilograms of weight. All the other specifications you can figure out from the design problem. You have to do the research plan. Remember, the very first question is, what do you intend to do? And you need to think about how you're going to design this tower and what you're going to be designing it in. The second is, why is the work important? You need to think about the design problem, who you're designing the tower for, and think about the aesthetics of the tower. Number three is what has already been done. This, of course, is a bit of history of towers and tower design. Number four is how do you intend to do the work? Remember, these are your 4 research questions. You must have 4 research questions that are answered in MLA format. After that, number 5 is you need to describe the main features of a tower that inspires you. So throughout your research, you've seen a number of towers. You need to pick one that you like and describe the main features of it and why it inspires you. What makes that tower viable? All right, what makes that tower good? You need to think about things like that. 6, you need to do success criteria. Don't forget, it's what makes the project good, as opposed to the specifications, which are just what the project is about. 7 is make a choice. You need to put a picture of your 3 rough drawings on it. Now, that's what you have to do for your summative. The next task that you need to work on this week is you need to work on collaborate. You need to exchange views with your partners in your group, and you need to decide which tower you're going to work on. I then need you to post in the collaboration space with your group the tower that you're going to be working on. So you need a drawing of that tower. It doesn't need to be the blueprint, but it needs to be a decent drawing, something I can actually work with. And that's what I need. That tower, collaboration tower, will be done for Friday. You must hand that in for the 17th, okay? All right, I'll post another video for your work for next week. Thanks, guys. Good luck.